advantage, interview, dentist. These are some words that have a silent T sound, but when does this occur in American English? Let's take a closer look. We're going to be focusing on words that have a silent T when the T comes after the letter N. You see this in words like advantage, advantage. There's nothing wrong with saying advantage, but something you may hear many native speakers do is remove the T sound because it follows the letter N. Let's take a look at some more common words where this occurs. Advantage, interview, interview, dentist, dentist, Santa, Santa, international, international, counter, counter, intellectual, intellectual, antidepressant, antidepressant, environmental, environmental, painted, painted, printer, printer, painter, painter, Annie, Annie, county, county. So again, these are words that have the letter N followed by the letter T, and the T goes silent. This usually occurs when the letter T is not stressed. So for other words, you may notice that the T is pronounced. In those cases, usually that T is stressed, and that's why you'll hear it more. For more information on these and other sounds, be sure to check out our other videos and also check out our website at fluentamerican.com. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel to get updates on when the latest videos come out. My name is Geoff. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in a future video. Take care.